Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Alt-Tab Windows 11. We will start by entering regedit in the search box. Open the registry editor and click Yes to authorize this access. When accessing, you must go to the path that you see on the screen. There, in the Explorer folder, right-click and select New and then Word 32-bit value. Assign the name Alt-Tab Settings. You will double-click on this value, and in the Value Data field, we will assign the number 1. Click on OK. To complete this, we will restart our system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.